Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up keyboard shortcuts for Filmora. Open Filmora and click on File, then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This will open up a window. Here you can adjust any keyboard shortcuts you want. For example, for starting a new project, it's Ctrl+N. So here you can see all the keyboard shortcuts that are available. For cutting, it's Ctrl X and it's Ctrl C. If you want to change it, you can change it. Let me change this from Ctrl X to Ctrl C. Now copy, I'm going to keep it as Ctrl X just for the sake of this video. You can change all of these. You have also the split option, crop to fit, crop and zoom, group option, ungroup, group option, ungroup, detach audio, stabilization, motion tracking, color match, insert, replace, apply. Here you can also have option for snapshots, zooming in, zoom out, previous selection, next selection. You can add all the custom keyboard shortcuts that's easier for you. If you have any custom macro keyboard, you can plug it in and use that instead. There is a simple tutorial on how to change your keyboard shortcuts for editing much faster in Filmora. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.